Today we focus on one of the most important moments in the history of South Sudan, the upcoming national election. A moment of decision, a moment of responsibility, and a moment that will shape the future of every South Sudanese citizen at home and abroad. For many years, our people have waited for a true democratic process, an opportunity to choose leaders through the ballot, not through bullet. This election is not just a political event. It is a test of maturity, unity, and national direction. The question is simple. What kind of South Sudan do the people want? A country of endless conflict, or a nation that finally chooses peace, development, and stability? This election gives the people the power to decide. But for the election to be meaningful, three things must happen. First, citizens must participate. Every eligible voter has a duty to register, show up, and vote. Elections are decided by those who participate, not those who stay at home. If people want change, they must use their vote. Second, leaders must respect the will of the people. No intimidation, no threat, no violence. A true democracy listens to the voice of the nation. Whether you support President Salva Kiir Mayardit or Dr. Matatan, Lamarcon, Pagana Mum, or any other leader, every vote must be respected. Third, peace must be maintained. We cannot go back to the day when election led to war. South Sudan have suffered enough. Families have been displaced. Children have grown up in camp. And our economy has collapsed because of political mistrust. This time, leaders must commit to peace regardless of the outcome. The people of South Sudan deserve a government that reflects their hope, not their fear. A leadership chosen by the people, not imposed by conflict or tribal loyalty. Young people want jobs, parents want education for their children. Communities want safety and development. Refugees want to return home. Farmers want access to market. All of this depend on leadership. The upcoming election is not about who wins. It is about whether the country moves forward. If South Sudanese vote wisely, if leaders accept results peacefully, if the world sees a united people speaking through the ballot, then this election can become a new chapter in the nation's story, a chapter of stability, reconstruction, and hope. The choice is in the hand of the people. The future belongs to the voters, and the destiny of South Sudan will be written on election day. Thank you for listening. Do not forget to subscribe.